So now let's explore the screen recorder options inside of Filmora. So in order to do that, first of all, I'm going to go to File, and then I'm going to go to Record Media right here, and then I'm going to click on Record PC Screen. Once we do that, what happens is that the recorder window pops up just like this, and we got a few options that we can work with. So over here, you got the record button right here, but over here you can see that you can select out the input device for your microphone. So if you have multiple microphones plugged in, then you can select that out right here. And then over here, you can select out the device that you want to listen out of as well. So now what you can also do is you can like mute it out. Let's say you don't want your system audio to be recorded, you can simply mute it out like this. Or if you don't want your microphone to be recorded, you can mute your microphone as well. So either way, you can mute or unmute both of them out right there. On the left side, you can see full screen is an option. But if I were to click over here, then you can go around onto target window. And if you were to select this, you can see that only this area is selected out. Another thing that you can do is you can go around into custom right here and then type in resolution. Let's say, for example, 700 right here. And then what you can do is you can click and drag this portion around to select the area that you want to record as well. Let me just go ahead and choose full screen right here and close this out. If you were to click on settings, you get more option right here. So you can choose where you can save out your final recorded video. So you can click on here and choose out the folder where you want to save out the video to. You can go ahead over here and select the frame rate. So if you're going around doing a software demonstration, then 30 is more than enough. But if you're recording gameplays and so forth, you might want to go up to 60 frames per second. You can choose the quality over here as well. So you can go for good, better, or best quality right here. And you can go ahead and then stop recording over here as well. You can choose different mouse clicks as well. So right now, the mouse click that is being recorded is this one. You can go ahead and choose different sort of mouse clicks right here. So what happens is that whenever you're recording, you can click ahead and then the mouse click animation actually changes according to it. Another thing that you have is the play mouse click sound right here. So whenever you click, what happens is that there's a sound effect of the mouse being clicked out while you're recording the video. And then what you have is you have the pause and resume hotkeys right here, and you have start and stop hotkeys as well, just like this. And then you have record the camera stream as well. So if you have a webcam attached, then you can see the webcam right here. So you can keep the webcam recording wherever you want. You can turn that on or off right here, just like this as well. And these are the screen recording options that are provided to you in Filmora. So if you guys learned something as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.